Hi friends, it's Amy. I just recently made the most glorious H&M order, and it was all specifically from their Conscious line. And I thought it would be super fun to unbox it with you, do my first impressions, and then a little try on, because why not? So let's go. Ooh, this is exciting. I'm just gonna open each piece together. This is an adorable little blue sweatshirt. There was a couple colors, I believe. 20% recycled cotton, 40% recycled polyester, all the goods. I got a size medium. I love the light color for spring. These are a pair of straight, high waist, ankle length jeans. Again, I think these had solid colors, but I was really drawn to patterns. It's like pretty blue little flowers. I've also always wanted to be a white denim person, but they've just never felt right on my body. So I was like, well, maybe this will be like a happy in between because there's a cute little pattern. Okay, I just tried on the white patterned jeans and this blue sweatshirt, and I love these pieces. I think the jeans fit perfectly. The shape of them is so good. So even if you don't care for the pattern or the white that I got, you should definitely try them in a different wash if they have them in your size, because the fit is fantastic. They're really comfortable, high rise, that perfect ankle crop length. I love them so much. And then it's really cute with the sweatshirt. I feel like they work so good together. It's really cute for spring and summer. The sweatshirt is just like the perfect length, perfect size. You could throw it on with literally anything. I love it. This is one that you could easily get in multiple colors and rock it. Second piece. Okay, this is an adorable cropped tank top, which everyone is doing cropped tank tops right now. You can get them anywhere, from the most expensive brands to the least expensive brands. And I just think that they're a really amazing staple to have in your closet, to throw a blazer over, even just like a hooded sweatshirt. So cute. So I just got like a little cream one. Ooh, this is good. I'm super into blazers right now. The shell is 93% Lensing Eco Vero, which sounds like it's something environmentally friendly, which we love. And then it's 100% recycled polyester. And I got it in this gorgeous blue. Has shoulder pads, which is always my favorite, so we'll try that on as well. I just switched out the blue sweatshirt for the cute little crop tank and the blue blazer. These are great. The blazer I got in a medium, which I would consider my true size, and the body is oversized, but the sleeves are a little short, which I actually think is really cute and I would still rock. I was curious what it would be like if it was one size up, maybe even two sizes up for that like really oversized Hailey Bieber look. So maybe size up if you like this. If you're smaller, you could do your normal size. Either way, it's great. It's actually really quality, has a lot of good buttons. It's light enough that you could still wear it on a hot summer day, which is nice, over a dress to a wedding, or just, again, Hailey Bieber style, and rock it over some like bike shorts and a sports bra. Be really cute. The tank top is amazing. I love it. My favorite part about it is that it has a looser edge, so it doesn't like squeeze you. It's not uncomfortable in your midsection, which is always my pet peeve on cropped tops. But this one's nice and stretchy and loose, so I feel like it's flattering for all body shapes and sizes, which I'm grateful for and I love. These next pieces, oh, they're soft. It's a matching top and bottom. I had to. There's plain colors, solid colors, but I saw this leopard print and I was like, I have to. 94% recycled polyester. It is soft. Let's look at the matching pants. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay, this set is so fun. I was not expecting the bottoms to be flares, like legging flares. It's a super popular style going around right now. Thought they'd be a little bit more loose. I don't usually love the flared legging look on my body because I'm 5'9", I'm tall-ish, and typically that flared legging type of clothing is never made long enough for my body. That look is very lengthening on girls shorter than me when it's like that full leg look and it fans out, flares out at the bottom of the floor. But on me, because I'm a little too tall for these pieces, it actually makes me look a little bit shorter than I am because the flare happens too high. That's just my opinion, but it's very comfy. And these come as separates, so you can order just the top or just the bottom. It's so soft. I do look like an animal at a wild animal park. I don't hate it. Okay, I think I have like two more things. Ooh, this is like a silky, satiny little camp shirt. It's like a boxy button up. These camp style shirts that are like collared and button up are some of my favorite to wear in the summer with like denim shorts and whatever. This one's super boxy, which I love, and really soft because it's that silky satiny goodness. This one's not technically clothing. It's a big, beautiful summer tote with Coca-Cola on it. I love Coca-Cola. This one is 60% recycled cotton. We love that. Loving this little satiny silk shirt. You could wear this a zillion ways and with a zillion things. It is so soft. It's light, it's a little bit sheer, which I don't mind. I think that kind of like adds to the cool factor of the shirt. You could also wear it unbuttoned with that crop top I had earlier underneath it, or a really cool top of any kind. And this could just be like a light layer opened. It has super retro collar line, which I'm loving. It's a great one. It's good tucked, it's good untucked, it's good all the ways. Also wanted to show off the bag, the Coca-Cola bag. I mean, this one's like the ideal beach bag, farmer's market tote. If you have a kid like me, you could just throw all their toys in it when you're hitting the road to go somewhere. Who doesn't want an adorable tote bag that says Coca-Cola on it with a freaking cute rainbow? I want it. This is my favorite piece of them all. I am a big Disney fan, Mickey Mouse fan in this household. And they did a vintage Palm Beach sweatshirt in their Conscious line. It's so soft. It looks like it's the perfect like boxy shape. I actually have always regretted getting rid of, not that they'd still fit, but I've always regretted getting rid of my childhood Disney sweatshirts that I collected when I'd go to Disney on family vacations in Florida. Oh, I could have put them on my kid. Anyway, last but not least, the best piece of it all. I am obsessed. It is like the vintage vibe sweatshirt of my dreams. I'm obsessed that it says Palm Beach, that it has Mickey on it, that it has that like vintagey washed feel to the graphic. It is ridiculously soft and it's the perfect shape. It has like that slight boxy shape, so it's not extra long, but it's not cropped. And the sleeves almost like balloon effect. This is a piece that I'm gonna live in. If you can still find this, if it's still available by the time you're watching this, do yourself a favor and get it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this H&M haul. If you want to see more hauls like this from other stores or specifically more H&M, let us know. Let us know in the comments. Let us know what you like, what you didn't like. And then of course, give us an actual thumbs up like on the video and follow us if you aren't already. We're bringing you all the good content that you will certainly enjoy. So thanks for being here. Love you all. Mwah.